Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Ayushi and I'm a CBSE ninth grader. So this video is gonna be a study vlog plus a syllabus update. So these clips are of 8th January and our school was closed due to the cold weather. So firstly I made myself a to-do list and in accordance to that I was working. Here I was doing maths में chapter circles. ये हमारे स्कूल में हुआ नहीं था and our school is like not opening since the past 15 days. So I was really skeptical कि मेरा syllabus time पे हो भी पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा if I depend on my school to do that. So I've decided कि मैं थोड़ा सा ही खुद से करने लग जाती हूँ जब तक स्कूल बंद है. So I was doing that and I did theorem 9.3 and 9.4 this day along with some questions. And then after a while I took a break और उसके बाद में मैं कह रही थी इंग्लिश में काठमांडू के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. मुझे लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन से शुरुआत करनी थी बिकॉज मैंने उससे पहले का रात को कर लिया था. I've completed this prose काठमांडू का क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड आई थॉट कि ये वाला जो पोम था वो लास्ट वाले प्रोज के बाद में था. So I just wrote the last wala prose which is if I were you, but when I flipped the book I noticed कि ये वाला poem पहले है. So yeah, I just read the poem and you know noted down all the what do you call it, literary device, poetic device, and yeah, this is it. Now after a small break I will complete these questions. It seems like I'm always doing English, but I'm just trying to complete the syllabus as soon as possible. I read a comment a while ago and they were asking ki how to improve English, how to communicate in English, how to be fluent, and how to improve vocabulary. So for that, I would just say ki surround yourself with the content, and this is the most basic yet the most useful tip you can ever get from a person regarding learning any language. If you want to learn English, then surround yourself with English content. If you want to learn any other language, surround yourself with that. If I talk about me personally, I never, learned grammar from a grammar ki book and I'm not learning the rules and structure. I never did that. It is too boring for me and I just cannot do that, bro. And it's not even effective. Like learning the rules and structure will not help you to communicate in the language fluently, and it just won't help. So surround yourself with the content, and for that you can read English books, you can watch English dramas or movies, or even watch vlogs which are like in English. This will help you like a lot. I talk about me personally, my English improved in the lockdown phase. I used to play like online video games and all, and for that I needed to communicate with people in English, and hence I learned it. Like literally, that is literally about it. I never ever learned structures and rules. I never do actually. Even in my class, whenever my teacher teaches the grammar part, I never literally learn the rules and all because I just cannot. But still, however, I will like get the answers right. So yeah, surround yourself with the content, and that's the most brilliant tip I can give you. But still, if you want a separate video on that, then do let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to make that video because I think that it will help a lot of people. So yeah. I'm just gonna cry at this point because nothing is done actually. If you're watching this vlog while doom scrolling, then quit it. Quit it right now. Otherwise, you're gonna end up in this situation. And I'm not even a night owl. How the fuck I'm gonna complete this? My god. Definitely confused कि ये शुरुआत कहाँ से करे, but मेरा कोई प्लान सक्सेसफुल होने वाला है नहीं. बट फॉर नाउ आई हैव इन माइंड कि सबसे पहले मैं केमिस्ट्री करूँगी, फिर उसके बाद मैं ये दोनों, एंड बाद में ये जो लिखने वाला काम है वो मैं थोड़ा सा बाद में कर सकती हूँ आफ्टर माई डिनर. एंड लाइक ऐसा सोचा तो मैंने बहुत बार था पर ऐसा हुआ नहीं. बट लेट्स गिव आवरसेल्व्स another chance. I'm just sick of Gen Alpha kids because they just won't turn off their mobile phones and also not gonna lower their mobile volumes. Hit the like if you agree. Dang, we gotta manifest this in 2026. Let's go. एक टिप वुड बी कि जब भी you sit to do work and you make your to-do list पहले ही, like the night before the day, so like it would be more organized, or it would be really good. Okay, so let's now talk about the syllabus update. Starting off with maths, I have completed all the chapters except circles and the last two exercises of surface area and volume. Talking about science, my syllabus is completed. I've completed all the chapters. In SST also, I have completed all the syllabus, including all the 4 books. English में the Beehive book का सारा portion is completed. Moments में the last leaf तक हुआ है मेरा. The grammar and writing part is also done. In Sanskrit also everything is done. Sahitya, Vyakaran and writing, all of those are and done. My teacher, you see, I just do not know what to call him. Maybe godlike, because he literally completed all the syllabus October tak, and we were so damn shook, like what the heck. But yeah, that's a good thing. पर मुझे संस्कृत व्याकरण में घंटा कुछ आता है, so I will have to remember and do all of those stuff again. In IT, I have a lot left. I do not even remember the chapters. Like, I feel कि part A में 3 chapters are left and part B 4 are left, and that's a lot. But yeah, complete तो करना पड़ेगा इसको भी. मुझ में बहुत बीच में जोश आया था कि मेरे को IT का सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना है. फिर वो जोश धीरे धीरे चला गया 1 हफ्ते के बाद में, एंड नाउ उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं है, बट ओके. So yes, this was all about the syllabus update, and yeah. Okay, I was missing लिख के question practice करना. So yeah, I just did it like this, and it's good. It's really good. This is your sign to practice questions लिख के, because apparently if you're gonna read the question and think yeah you know it, you don't, please. And even if you know it, it's better to write down the things. Like, yeah, it is more useful. So yeah, good, nice. I am done practicing NCERT questions, and now I will do the additional questions. Now I'll take a break of 5 minutes because I've been studying for like 40 to 50 minutes. I'm not quite sure. इस चैप्टर के मैंने पहले भी क्वेश्चंस किए थे, but I didn't do the NCERT, and that's not a really good thing to do. So yeah, we are never too late, and we like have 2 more months, so we can practice बहुत ही अच्छे से. So yeah, I'm done doing this, and now we'll do the additional ones. I've completed chemistry now, and now I'll do maths. वैसे मेरा syllabus काफ़ी सही टाइम पे complete हुआ है, but IT का तो वो मैं कर लूँगी धीरे धीरे. I don't have to worry about it that much. वो धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा, बट आई एम गॉटन अ प्लस पॉइंट कि मैं अच्छे से रिविजन कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज इवन तो मेरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट है, लाइक आई एम रियली नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन मोस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर्स. लाइक इन मैथ्स में पॉलिनोमियल्स, इट इज़ वेरी टफ टू मी. आई कैन नॉट रिमेंबर द फार्मूलाज एंड ऑल, एंड देयर आर अ लॉट चैप्टर्स लाइक दीज. इससे भी ज़्यादा चैप्टर्स हैं, तो उसका मुझे रिविजन अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा, और इतने दिन में तो कर लूँगी मैं, क्योंकि सिलेबस तो मेरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है. सो यस, it's 9 p.m. currently, and I guess we'll have to sacrifice economics for today, but it's okay, we can do that tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna do English and history के question answer अभी, और आज उसके बाद मैं सो जाऊँगी, because yeah, I need to wake up early tomorrow. Very out of the blue, but I'm gonna share the most favorite poems of mine from the English ki curriculum. First is A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. I love that, bro. I love that. Like, those 8 stanzas are literally something. Second is A Legend of Northland. I love that. It's great. It's so great. Oh my god. And then in the Mermaids wale book, I literally love the prose, the last leaf. It is, the movie Lutera is actually based on that, whatever you call it, I don't know, story. Yeah, and if you haven't watched Lutera, please do. It's so great. It's amazing, bro. I love emotional romantic movies. So yeah, it's definitely my genre, and I love that ding ding ding. And yeah, that's literally what I wanted to share. And I'll cry now. Let's go. So I can never stop yapping. So here we go again. And yeah, I'm really proud of myself that I didn't depend on my teachers, that they will complete the syllabus, and I'm actually doing it by myself, because at this point my school is like closed since 20 days, 20 or like 15. And like it is freezing cold here. It is freezing cold. Like, oh my god, how do I even explain it? At this point, I just cannot do this thing without Kane. And here I'm listening to Matthew. I feel like he's so damn good. Like his voice is so cute. Like imagine Luffy and Matthew collaborate. Damn, bro, that would be so fire.